Welcome back, friend. Last night, I had the privilege of talking to the green alien who taught me a little about this planet. Apparently, it's a glitter diet that runs on coffee and energy drinks. Also, I can't forget about the random Martians who give out candy. She was also able to tell me about these hair pieces in their hair. She called them a winglet, I think. I might get one when we get back home because they're so out of our world. Now, I need to report this all to the command center, so please stand by. Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all had a really good rest last night. I would like to welcome you back to our journey through the planets and stars. This morning, we have a full agenda ahead of us, so please fasten your seatbelts and get ready for blast off.
By order of the Grand Lecture, the delightful Ducklings will now enter our Star Solar System Grand Assembly Room.
The delightful Duckling Grand Officers have formed a house to represent all the work we have done this year working with our service project, Family Promise.
For Saturday, Grand Assembly, I will be using my early advisor gown. My term as early advisor was during the heart of COVID, which presented lots of challenges, but my assembly did everything in their power to make my term special. My assembly looks a lot different than it did 4 years ago, when I was early advisor, but what stays the same is their constant love and support. So today, I will be using this gown to honor them.